Hi, Dave.coble with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for joining us. You can find our contact information below. I'd like to welcome you aboard a 2019 290 SDX. This boat is a really great boat. It's been very popular. This one's equipped with tower speakers for the audiophile. We also have a fridge here, so you don't have to mix up your sandwiches and stuff with your cooler. You may want to have refreshments in one and then utilize this for your lunch meat, stuff like that, so you can have a good time on the water and not have to stop. Something else, we have a grill here, and these stow very nicely. We have a grill right here. And these are great for when you're out on the water, say you want to heat up some burgers or dogs or whatever. You're out here enjoying the sun. It's just like being in the backyard, but you can jump in and get splashing wet. You'll notice this has the blue LED lights. It really kind of sets it off, especially at night, and it sheds a little bit of light for convenience, so that you're not tripping over purses or anything that you might want to stow. Moving forward, you'll see that these seats interchange, so you can roll it back and sit facing forward, or roll it forward here and then join the social area. That's true for the helm as well. So now you've got a big circle, everybody's sitting around having cocktails or whatever. It's a great time. As you move forward, the bow area in this boat is just huge. I'm 6'4", don't even want to tell you how much I weigh. I'm stretched out, totally stretched out, actually laid out and stretched out. More room than you can possibly need unless you're just, super, super tall. Tons of space. I'm obviously a big guy. Take up a very little piece of this. You can seat several people around here if you need to. This is a people mover. It's a great boat, and they are very reliable. Give us a shout here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. We'd love to help you out, and we appreciate your patronage. Thank you.